Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making garlic butter chicken breast. For this recipe, we are using 2 boneless and skinless chicken breasts. With a sharp knife, go ahead and slice your chicken breast in half, just like so. Place them in a plastic bag one at a time. Using a meat tenderizer, go ahead and pound the chicken breast. You want it to be the same thickness all throughout the breast so it cooks evenly. Repeat the same process with the rest of the chicken. Now season them with a pinch of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and do this on both sides. Then in a shallow dish, add 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Lightly coat the chicken in the flour. Once the chicken has been coated in the flour, transfer onto a plate. Now, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter has melted, transfer a couple of pieces of chicken into the skillet. Cook the chicken for about 4 minutes per side. And after cooking the chicken for about 4 minutes per side and it is golden brown, remove from the skillet and set it aside. Then in the same skillet, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter has melted, add 5 cloves of garlic, minced. Sauté the garlic for about 30 seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, followed by 1/3 of a cup of honey. 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and half a cup of chicken stock. Now bring to a simmer and reduce the heat to medium. Continue simmering over medium heat for about 5 minutes or until the sauce has been reduced. Once the sauce has been reduced, bring the chicken back into the skillet. Finish cooking the chicken for about 1 more minute per side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you finish cooking the chicken, make sure to cover in the sauce. And to finish it off, garnish with fresh parsley. Ooh. And I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it. Quick and easy garlic butter chicken. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Yeah.